Hey everyone! Today we're exploring the Fiskars 60-inch telescoping rotary cultivator, a tool designed to make your gardening tasks more comfortable and efficient. Let's look into its design, features, performance, and overall value. The Fiskars telescoping rotary cultivator is thoughtfully engineered to enhance your gardening experience. Telescoping handle, adjustable from 40 to 60 inches, allowing you to work at a comfortable height and reduce back strain. Durable construction features a 19-inch steel shaft and 6 rust-proof aluminum cultivating wheels, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear. Removable center wheels enables easy cultivation around seedling rows without causing damage. This cultivator is ideal for loosening soil, removing weeds, and aerating soil and mulch. The 6 rust-proof aluminum cultivating wheels power through tough soil, making your gardening tasks more efficient. With pros, there will be cons. Let's start with the pros first. Adjustable link. The telescoping handle allows for customization to your preferred working height, reducing the need to bend or kneel. Durable materials, constructed with rust-proof aluminum wheels and a sturdy steel shaft for long-lasting use. User-friendly design. Removable center wheels facilitate precise cultivation around plants. Now it's time for the cons. Surface-level cultivation. Some users note that the cultivator primarily tills the surface and may not penetrate deeply into compacted soil. Handle locking mechanism. A few users have reported that the handle's locking mechanism can occasionally slip during use. Considering its design, functionality, and user feedback, we rate the Fiskars 60-inch telescoping rotary cultivator 4.3 out of 5 stars. It's a reliable tool for gardeners seeking to reduce physical strain while maintaining their gardens, though it may be less effective for deep tilling tasks. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more gardening tool insights. Happy gardening!